Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Payoneer account is fully verified and that global payment service is active. This enables USD/your receiving accounts. Once done, sign into eBay and navigate directly to Seller Hub payments or payout settings. Make sure your business name and tax details on both platforms match exactly, because mismatches cause rejections. Now, choose Add Bank or Payment Method on eBay and select the option to link an external payment provider. Proceed to enter the Payoneer receiving account details shown in your Payoneer dashboard. Next, you copy the Payoneer receiving account information from your Payoneer dashboard, bank name, account number, routing, or IBAN, and paste it into eBay's payout form. Make sure you select the same payout currency that Payoneer provides for that receiving account, because currency mismatches delay transfers. Once submitted, eBay may trigger a micro deposit or verification code to confirm the account. Check Payoneer notifications and your linked email. Then enter the code or confirm the deposit amounts on eBay to validate the link. Finally, confirm the linked Payoneer account appears as an active payout method in eBay and initiate a small test payout to verify flow. You should monitor the transaction status in both eBay and Payoneer. Allow 1 to 5 business days for the first transfer to clear, and review Payoneer fees and exchange rates so you know net receipts. If the link fails, recheck that names, IBAN/routing numbers, and currency match exactly. Clear browser cache. Retry the connection, and if needed, contact Payoneer or eBay support with transaction ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.